They used to wear saris or salwar kameez and dhotis and kurtas. And the famous food is dalma, pakoda, chenna poda and kapli pada, famous food items. Now I would like to call upon B. Varshini, P.H. Rangacharyalu. They are from Shimla and their language is the Hindi language and their state capital is our Himachal Pradesh and their dress is salwar kameez or sometimes they used to wear churidar pajamas also with kurtas. And the famous food items chenna kulcha, bal mithai, maash dal, chana bhatura. K. Kasrika and K. Aryan Reddy. They are from Karnataka and their capital is Bangalore and their language is about Kannada language, Kannada. And their dress is saris and they used to wear saris, dhoti, kurtas. Annavastra for men and the famous food is vada, Mysore, masala dosa, jolada roti, Mysore pak, They are from Punjab and the capital is Haryana and their language is about Punjabi language and they used to wear salwar suit or kurta and famous pajama and their famous food is sarson ka saag, makki ki roti, lassi, aloo paratha are the famous food Rudranshu and Satyek. They are from Kerala and the capital is Thiruvananthapuram and the language is Malayalam language. And they used to wear lungi, sari, mundu. And the food items is appa, puttu, fish curry and etc. And many so items are famous. They are from West Bengal and their capital is Kolkata and language is Bengali language and they have dressed as